everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can update your DeepSeek app. So the first thing that you have to do in order to update your DeepSeek app is open App Store. After you have opened your App Store, now tap on the search icon that you see on the navigation bar on the bottom right corner of your phone. And now tap on the search bar that you can see on the top of your phone. And now start typing DeepSeek. And after you have typed that, tap on the search bar that you see on your keyboard. And here you can see the app, tap on it. And then you can see the button of open right here. If your app needs to be updated, the button will say update. Simply just tap on it in order to update your DeepSeek app, and the update process will begin and your app will be updated. Really easy and simple, right? If you guys like this video, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.